In times of economic uncertainty, the concept of frugality becomes more than a mere buzzword. It transforms into a vital survival strategy. The fear of recession is more than just news. It's the reality that touches the lives of millions. Imagine a world where you not only survive but thrive, despite the economic downturns. This isn't just wishful thinking. Through practical, everyday strategies, you can protect your finances, reduce stress, and bring stability to your household. This essay will explore 45 frugal living tips that are not merely cost-cutting measures, but pathways to a more secure and joyful life during trying economic times. When financial forecasts grow bleak, the traditional reaction is to panic. However, empowered with the right knowledge and strategies, you can navigate through these rough waters with confidence. Get ready to discover how frugality can be both a financial necessity and a lifestyle choice that brings simplicity and joy into your life. Enjoying this content? Don't miss out on future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us. Budgeting is not merely about restricting spending, but understanding where your money goes. Start by tracking all expenses for a month. You might be surprised by what you find. Post-analysis, categorize your expenses, and set realistic limits based on your income and essential needs. This holistic view allows you to make informed decisions about where you can realistically cut costs without feeling deprived. Creating visual representations of your finances can drastically increase your understanding and adherence to your budget. Charts and graphs make abstract numbers tangible, allowing you to see potential savings directly. Shopping lists are your best friend. By planning meals and sticking to a list, you avoid impulsive buys, which can significantly inflate your grocery bill. Consider buying store brands, which often have the same quality as name brands, but at a fraction of the cost. Also, take advantage of loyalty programs and coupons, but only for items you were already planning to buy. Buying in bulk can also be a boon for budget shoppers, but be cautious. Bulk buying works best for non-perishable goods or items that you use frequently. This way, you save money without wasting resources. Secondhand isn't second best. Embracing used goods can lead to significant savings. Whether it's clothing, furniture, or electronics, secondhand items often provide the same functionality at a lower price. Frequenting thrift stores, garage sales, and online marketplaces can uncover real treasures. Moreover, this approach is not just economical but also environmentally friendly. Reusing and repurposing items also falls under this category. A creative mindset can transform older items, giving them new life and purpose, reducing the need to purchase new goods. Simple adjustments in your home can lead to substantial savings on utilities. For example, replacing older light bulbs with LED bulbs, which use significantly less electricity. Consider installing water-efficient fixtures to reduce your water bill. A low-flow shower head and fixing any leaks can lead to noticeable reductions in water usage and cost. Thermostat adjustments, particularly at night or when the house is empty, can also save on heating and cooling bills. The adjustment of even a few degrees can accumulate substantial savings over time. Learning basic home repair and maintenance skills can save you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars annually. From unclogging drains to painting walls, many tasks can be managed without professional help. YouTube and other online platforms offer a plethora of tutorials that can guide you through various home repairs. Investing time in learning these skills not only saves money, but also increases your home's value and appeal. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning gutters, checking for roof damages, and sealing windows, can prevent costly repairs later. Proactivity is cheaper than reactivity when it comes to home upkeep. Cooking at home is significantly cheaper than dining out. Begin by planning your meals for the week, which will reduce waste and repeated trips to the grocery store. Invest in a slow cooker or an instant pot. These handy kitchen appliances make it easy to prepare meals in bulk, which can be frozen and enjoyed later, saving both time and money. Don't shy away from learning to bake your bread or make your yogurt. These staples are cheaper when made at home and can be a fun family activity. Entertainment doesn't have to be expensive. Public parks, community events, and local museums often offer free or discounted activities that can be as enriching as any costly entertainment option. Libraries are a treasure trove, not only for books, but for movies, magazines, and sometimes even classes. Many libraries also offer free internet access, which can be a significant saving. Consider a no-spend weekend where you engage only in free activities. This can be both a fun challenge and a way to discover inexpensive ways to enjoy your time. Evaluate your transportation methods. If possible, consider biking, walking, or public transportation, which are cheaper and healthier than maintaining a car. Carpooling is another excellent way to save. Sites and apps designed to facilitate carpool matchups can reduce your commuting costs significantly. Regular car maintenance, like proper tire inflation and timely oil changes, can improve your vehicle's fuel efficiency and prevent expensive repairs. Growing your own fruits and vegetables can be a rewarding and cost-effective hobby. Start small with herbs or tomatoes and expand as you gain confidence and experience. Consider composting kitchen scraps to create free, nutrient-rich soil for your garden. This not only reduces waste, but also decreases the need for commercial soil and fertilizers. Join or initiate a community garden. Not only does this reduce costs by sharing resources, but it also builds community ties and shared knowledge. Communities can be powerful resources in frugal living. Engage in or start a local swap meet where goods and services can be traded instead of purchased. Look for or organize group discounts for services or purchases. Buying in bulk or sharing costs for services like landscaping can lead to significant savings. Participate in local skill-sharing workshops where you can learn new skills for free or at a low cost. This network can also be a support system during tough economic times. Education is essential, but doesn't have to be expensive. Utilize free online platforms like Khan Academy or Coursera that offer courses from basic schooling to advanced degrees. Many universities now offer free or low-cost access to their courses. This can be a great way to enhance your skills without incurring student debt. Don't underestimate the educational value of non-traditional learning paths such as apprenticeships, internships, and volunteering, which provide hands-on experience, often at little to no cost. Preventive health care is the cornerstone of reducing medical expenses. Regular checkups, vaccinations, and screenings can prevent diseases from escalating into more serious, costly conditions. Take advantage of free health clinics or community health fairs, which often offer essential services at reduced or no cost. Additionally, exercise and a good diet play crucial roles in preventing health issues, which can be very frugal practices. Learn to use generic medications where appropriate. They are much cheaper than brand-name drugs and just as effective, according to the FDA. Simplifying doesn't just save money, it enriches your life. By decluttering your home, you can sell or donate items you no longer use, creating a more spacious living environment and possibly earning some extra cash. Try a less is more approach with your purchases. Ask yourself if each purchase is necessary or if there's something you could use instead. This mindset can drastically reduce unnecessary spending. Embrace the idea of quality over quantity. Investing in higher quality items that last longer can lead to significant savings over time. You don't need an expensive gym membership to stay fit. Running, hiking, and many forms of bodyweight exercises offer free fitness solutions. Consider online fitness classes, which are often free or cheaper than gym classes. Additionally, many communities offer free workout classes in local parks or community centers. Engage in active hobbies like gardening or cycling, which not only help you stay active but also improve your mental health and overall well-being. Fashion can be both fabulous and frugal. Thrift stores and consignment shops offer stylish clothing at a fraction of the retail price. Learn basic sewing skills to repair or modify clothing, which extends the life of your garments and saves money. Also, organizing clothing swaps with friends can refresh your wardrobe without any cost. Focus on building a capsule wardrobe consisting of versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched to create multiple outfits, reducing the need to buy more clothes. Smart tech investments can often feel like a significant expenditure. However, with smart choices, technology can also lead to savings. Prioritize your tech needs over wants, focusing on devices that offer multiple functions. Look for refurbished electronics, which can be significantly cheaper than new ones and often come with warranties. It's also crucial to always compare prices and check for reviews to avoid poor investments. Use apps and tools that help you track expenses, manage budgets, or even find the best local deals. Remember, technology should be a tool that aids your frugal lifestyle, not hinders it. Traveling doesn't have to be a luxury if you plan wisely. Opt for off-season travel to get better deals on flights and accommodations. Consider vacation rentals or hostels instead of hotels. These options can offer lower prices and more amenities, such as kitchen access, which can save on meal costs. Also, look into travel rewards programs and consider getting a credit card that earns you points towards travel, but only if you can pay off the balance each month to avoid interest charges. Frugality isn't solely about saving money, it's also about gaining peace of mind. Living within your means can significantly reduce stress and anxiety associated with financial pressures. Embrace the minimalist mindset, which emphasizes the value of experiences over possessions. This can lead to a more fulfilling and less cluttered life. Frugal living often involves community engagement, whether through swaps, shared gardens, or group projects, which can enhance your social life and emotional well-being. Being prepared for economic downturns gives you a significant advantage. Continuously educate yourself about financial trends and potential risks. Create an emergency fund, ideally covering 3 to 6 months of expenses. This fund acts as a buffer against unforeseen situations, preventing debt accumulation during tough times. Consider side gigs or passive income streams that can offer additional financial security. The gig economy offers various opportunities that can be aligned with your skills and schedule. Adopting a frugal lifestyle is not just about the strategies executed, it's about cultivating a mindset that values resourcefulness and sustainability. Regularly reflect on your spending and savings habits. Adapt and evolve your strategies to meet changing life circumstances and economic conditions. Share your journey and learn from others. Communities, whether online or in person, can provide support, inspiration, and new ideas to enhance your frugal lifestyle.